By now, you might have heard about Midjourney and all of the cool images that AI is able to generate within this platform. Today is a total beginner's tutorial on how to register for Midjourney and how to utilize this software or this platform to generate your own images. So let's get started. So the first thing you want to do is go to midjourney.com. Then click on join the beta. And then it's going to lead to this page here. And this is going to be your username that you're going to put. Just type in whatever username that you want to use. And then click continue. And then verify by clicking on the puzzle. Then it's going to launch you to the actual Discord site where you fill in your birthday. Here I'm just making something up. And then you finish up and sign up by typing in your email and password. And now you need to verify, check your email to make sure that you received the email, and then you need to click on the verify button. All right, now you are officially inside the Discord app with Midjourney integrated in. And I know the UI looks a little daunting at first, but we'll cover all of that, or we'll cover the ones that you need. Don't be overwhelmed by what you see here. Or these are just images that Midjourney produce from other users, and you could just scroll down to see what other people have generated or created. Now let's get to the part where you create your own images. On the left, go to one of the newbie channels. Just pick one. And then you're gonna have to scroll all the way down. Oh, I guess you don't have to, but you see the chat prompt on the bottom. That's where we're gonna start inputting our prompts. So on the bottom there, you're going to click on it and then do /imagine space. And then here is the prompt. Just type in whatever AI art that you want. Here I'm going to type in Martin Luther King Jr. Lego. Hit return. And then you just saw up there that you need to accept the terms and service. Click on it. It said it failed. Click on it. Click on it again. And it says accepted. Now you want to wait a little bit for the AI to generate this image. And you could stay on this page to wait for the AI or Midjourney to produce this image, but it might be a little tedious because it's going to be hard to find with all of these other prompts. So this is what you're going to do. Go back to midjourney.com, click on sign in, and it's going to say authorize. Click authorize, and you might need to do it 2 times. I don't know why, but you click and sign in again, and then click authorize. Now this is your home page where your images that Midjourney produce is going to be placed. And here I'm just going to type in the prompt one more time just in case it didn't work. Same thing. I'm going to type in Martin Luther King Jr. marching down the street, Lego. And then hit return. Now we're going to wait. It might take about a minute or so to generate. Now we're going to go back to our login homepage for Midjourney to see if the image generated, but it didn't. We're going to keep waiting. Oh, I see it. See that? Okay. Now let's go back to our Midjourney profile page, which is the other tab here. And then let's refresh. And there you go. We have our picture that we prompted to generate in Midjourney. And I think it's fascinating that the AI is able to create something like this from just a basic prompt. Now let's do another prompt. Type in /imagine, and then we're also going to type in Martin Luther King Jr. marching with people, cartoon this time. No. Cyberpunk. Let's do cyberpunk and hit return. And now we're going to wait a little bit and give it some time. And while you're waiting, you can just read through all of the new entries that other users have done and the prompts that they're using, and just see some of the cool visuals that Midjourney is producing on the fly. All right, I think I see our image. You see that there? All right, so we're going to go back to our profile page in Midjourney and hit refresh. And you see just the image that the AI generated. This is so cool. Now there's tons of other features that you can use in Midjourney and the type of prompts that you put in, such as scaling and aspect ratios and all of that. But this tutorial is just a basic beginner's tutorial on how to actually sign up and begin generating an image. Hope that helps. Feel free to ask away if you have any questions.